Looking for a countertop oven that actually fits your busy kitchen life? The KitchenAid digital countertop oven offers 50% more capacity than a leading competitor, the Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV450XL. That means you get more room to cook, bake, and roast without sacrificing countertop space. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies or roasting a salmon, this oven handles it all with ease and precision. What sets this oven apart? It's the 9 preset cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, warm, reheat, bagel, pizza, cookies, roast, plus a frozen option that cover everything you need. The easy-to-read digital display keeps you updated at a glance, so you're never guessing about cooking progress. Plus, the non-stick interior wipes clean quickly, saving you time and effort after every meal. It even comes with a 9x13" baking pan, grill rack, removable drip tray, and metal rack, so you're ready to cook right out of the box. One KitchenAid fan shared how this oven quickly became a kitchen staple. From cakes and muffins to sweet potato fries and steaks, everything turned out perfectly after just a short learning curve. The user appreciated the clear instructions and found this oven a great alternative to heating up the full oven, especially in the summer. With its streamlined profile and stylish chrome knobs, it adds a touch of elegance to any countertop while delivering full-size oven results. If you want more cooking versatility without the hassle of a large oven, the KitchenAid digital countertop oven is worth a look. It brings full-size oven expertise into a compact design that fits your lifestyle. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen routine with an appliance that works as hard as you do.